Now, the objective of this assignment is to connect to MongoDB using Java. Okay. First thing is make sure your database is up and running. Okay, so there goes my server. The MongoDB is up still. And here goes the shell here. Okay. Now, the next thing to do here is let's create a new project. For this assignment, I want you to create a new project. We will then eventually merge it with the project that we've been doing with the graphical user interface. But for right now, I want you to make this your own project. I'll call this, let's see, Java project here. I'll call this 04 data layer. So this project will represent our data layer. Let's then click on next. I can actually just click on finish. It's the standard stuff that we've been doing in class. Let's create a class. I'll call it driver student data edu city tech cst data layer. In this one, you don't have to put your initials in this one, so don't do that for this example. Let's make this a driver. Okay, and that's it right now. Okay, so the next thing to do is we're going to create the code here to actually connect to the database. So the first thing I'm going to need here is the jar files that's going to be needed for this file, this particular assignment. So for me to connect to MongoDB, MongoDB, the vendor, actually supplies a jar. So the first thing I want to do is let's get that jar. I'm going to right click here, new folder. Let me first create a folder that we're going to use. And what we're going to do now is I'll supply the jars and I'll also give you the link where I got the jars from. So the one that I want for now is the MongoDB driver. Let's paste it there. And now it's part of my project, only from the filing system. Okay, like I said here, this part right here is we put it into the filing system. And the problem with this is right now, it is part of your filing system, but Java will not see it until we add it to the build path. So you focus on the jar, and then you will say here build path, and then add to build path. Now, by us just doing this, we have reference to all the classes. So these are the packages that the vendor supplies you with. And then your job is now to use their class to connect to the database.